Okay, good day everyone. My name is Gecille Amposta, your Earth and Life Science teacher. Okay, today we are going to discuss rocks and minerals. Okay, our objectives for today is first, describe the physical properties of minerals. Second is to identify the different types and uses of minerals. The third objectives is to classify rocks into igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks. Okay, first, we discuss mineral or what is a mineral. So, mineral or minerals are the building blocks of rock. So, it is a naturally formed inorganic solid that has a crystal structure and a definite chemical composition. Okay, what do all minerals have in common? So, there are 5 characteristics in minerals. First, formed by natural processes on or inside earth or no help from human. Next, it is inorganic or was never alive. So for example, coal was formed naturally in earth crust. It came from plants. Okay? The third characteristics of minerals is solid with definite volume and shape. Fourth, minerals always contain certain elements that give it a unique chemical composition. Okay? Some minerals can be presented by a chemical formula or chemical equation. Okay, the last characteristics of a mineral is a crystalline shape. The particles of a mineral line up in a pattern that repeats, forming a crystal. Okay, let us proceed. How do minerals form? Okay, so there are 2 ways that crystals or mineral form. Okay, so the cooling of hot liquid rock called magma causes compounds to combine. So when the magma cools slowly, the crystal are become large. Okay, next, when the magma cools quickly, the crystals are become small. Okay, next, how we identify mineral or minerals. So we identify mineral by their physical properties. Okay, number 1, we discuss color. Many minerals will have a similar appearance but will have different impurities. Okay, next, color and appearance are not enough to distinguish minerals. So in this picture, in this structure shows the different colors of a mineral or minerals. Next, the luster. Luster refers to the way a mineral reflects light from its surface. So there are 2 types of luster, the metallic and non-metallic. So when we say metallic, it is a shiny like metal. While non-metallic, it is a shiny, non-shiny surface, can include pearly, silky, and glassy. So in this structure, the example of a metallic luster is a pyrite, while in non-metallic luster is a calcite. So this is the structure of a non-metallic luster. Okay, next. The third physical properties of a mineral is a color. So the color of the powdered form of the mineral. Okay? So the color of the streak can be different than the mineral or minerals. Minerals must be softer than the streak plate. So this is an example of the structure of a streak. Okay, next, hardness. So we have called most hardness scale. So from scale 1, which is the softest, to the scale 10, which is the hardest. Okay, so in this picture shows the example or the different types of minerals from scale 1, which is the talc, second gypsum, calcite, fluorite, apatite, orthoclase, quartz, topaz, corundum, and diamond, which is the hardest scale. Okay? Test by seeing if the mineral can scratch different objects like human fingernail, copper, penny, glass, and steel file. Okay? Okay, let us continue. Okay, the last is the cleavage and fracture. So cleavage is a mineral break along smooth or flat surfaces, and every fragment has the same general shape. So an example of a cleavage is a mica. So you can see in the structure. While fracture, minerals that break at random with rough or sharp edges. So example of a fracture is a diamond and a halite. Okay. Next, we also discuss the minerals under uses. Okay, first we discuss hematite. So hematite is a reddish brown to black mineral consisting of ferric oxide. Okay? So this is the structure of a hematite. And the above and the below picture is the uses of a hematite. The spring of the bed and the lock of the door. Okay, next, copper. So we are all familiar in copper, right? So copper is a metallic chemical element that is easily formed into sheets and wires, and it is also the one of the best conductors of heat and electricity. So this is the structure of a copper, and the below picture is the uses of the copper. Okay, next, quartz. Quartz is a mineral consisting of silicon dioxide occurring in colorless and transparent or colored hexagonal crystals. So this is the structure of a quartz, while this is a uses of a quartz, the mirror. Okay, next. Number 4 is the fluorite. So fluorite is a transparent or translucent mineral of different colors that consists of fluoride of calcium. So this is the structure of fluoride. So as we can see, we have different colors, and the uses of a fluoride is a toothpaste. Okay. Okay, let us proceed to the rock cycle. Oh, this is the structure of a rock cycle. So we all know that we have three types of rocks: the igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Okay? Next, its rock cycle starts when the molten magma found beneath the surface of the earth. So then the lava cools and solidifies to form igneous rock. So this is the structure. Okay? So there are three types of rocks: the igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks. So first we discuss igneous rock. So when we say igneous rock, it is formed from solidification of lava. Okay, there are two types of igneous rocks: the extrusive or the volcanic, and number two, the intrusive or the plutonic igneous rock. Okay, we discuss extrusive igneous rock. So when we say extrusive, it is formed from lava exiting the volcano and cooling quickly. Okay, in this picture shows the example of a extrusive igneous rock: the andesite, basalt, obsidian, pumice, and rhyolite. Next, the second types of a igneous rocks is intrusive. When we say intrusive, it is formed when magma inside the volcano cools slowly. Okay, in this structure, in this picture shows the example of a intrusive igneous rock: the peridotite, gabbro, granite, pegmatite, and the last one is the diorite. Okay, next, the second types of a rocks is A. Sedimentary rocks. So when we say sedimentary rock, it is formed by the accumulation of sediments. When we say sediments are the rock pieces, mineral grains, and shell fragments. Next, how do sediments form? So sediments form through the processes of weathering and erosion of rocks exposed at the Earth's surface. So this is the structure of a weathering, and the beside is the erosion. Okay, next. The third types of rocks is a metamorphic rocks. So metamorphic rocks is formed when any rock type is changed into a different kind of rocks. Okay? So it changes due to grit, heat, and or pressure. Okay. So there are two types of metamorphic rocks. The foliated metamorphic and non-foliated metamorphic rocks. Next, when we say foliated metamorphic rocks, it have layered and banded appearance caused by exposure of minerals to heat and pressure. So in this structure, this picture shows the example of a foliated metamorphic rocks. The slate, pyrite, shale, and gneiss. Okay? Next is the non-foliated metamorphic rocks. Okay, so it do not display layering or banding that are present in foliated rocks. So these are the example of a non-foliated metamorphic rocks: the marble, hornfils, and the quartzite. Okay, and the last part of our lesson is please answer the following questions. Okay, number 1, why minerals are important? 2, are minerals help our daily living? Please explain your answer. The third is, what are the 3 types of rocks? And the last question is, what is the difference between the lava and a magma? Okay, next, identify the following if it is a igneous, sedimentary, or metamorphic rocks. Okay? So that's all for today. Goodbye and thank you.